Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I am Caitlin, and we are making something that is so easy, so fun, and super, I don't know, kind of unique and different, but it's really tasty. We are making an avocado cream sauce to pour over some delicious pasta. If you're looking for something kind of fun to make during the week, this is a really good recipe, but it's good at any time. I'm obsessed with it right now. You're gonna love it. You're going to want to start by chopping up 2 avocados, nice and square. Everyone knows how to do it by this point thanks to avocado toast, so we don't have to go through that. And you're going to pour it into a food processor. So this recipe will also work in a really good blender, or if you have a really good juicer, you could do that as well, as long as it could fit all of your ingredients. Next thing we're squeezing in is the juice of half of a lemon. The acidity in the lemon actually helps your avocado's coloring stay, so it's really good that you get that lemon juice in there. So again, don't worry, this will do all the work, but just squeeze your lemon juice right on in. After that, we have 2 cloves of garlic. You could put it in whole because we got this in the processor. And we have about 1/4 of a cup of ricotta cheese. Just add it right on in. If you want to get crazy, add a little bit more, but really 1/4 of a cup is a good amount. Last and final ingredient for this step is we have half of a cup of unsweetened and unflavored almond milk. Just get that into your processor, and then we should be ready to go. After that, just turn on your food processor on high and let it do the work for you. As you're using your food processor, if some chunks get on top, it's a good idea to just kind of push it down with a wooden spoon. That way you get a really smooth and creamy sauce. When your sauce has this nice creamy texture, that's when it is perfect. So go ahead and put it to the side. It's a great time now to start boiling up your favorite pasta. Now I've done this with spaghetti, but today we're doing it with some nice thick rigatoni because it just is so delicious that way. But any of your favorite pasta will do. Even zoodles could work for this recipe. If you are a vegan or you don't eat meat, this is a good time to stop this recipe and ignore this next part. But if you are like me and other people that really do enjoy a nice meaty flavor in our pasta, it's time to add some delicious kind of meat saltiness to this avocado cream sauce. So I'm going to actually just sear up a little bit of diced prosciutto. You heard that correctly. I did not say pancetta, though pancetta could also work. But I'm going to use prosciutto. If you could get some nice thick prosciutto, just fry it up a little bit in your pan and then top your pasta with it. I promise you, you're going to love me forever. This dish is freaking fantastic with it. But pancetta works, bacon works. Kind of any saltier, thicker meat would really do a good job. So I added a little bit of olive oil to my pan while it's heating up. And then I'm just going to pour in my prosciutto and just fry it up a little bit so it's nice and warm. So this prosciutto actually did not need to be cooked, but we just want to kind of bring out some of the flavors and allow the fat in the prosciutto to kind of like warm and cook up a little bit. So you're just going to kind of lightly toss it in that olive oil just a few minutes. Same for pancetta. If you're doing that, bacon you obviously would need to cook all the way through. So after your pasta, whatever kind you're cooking is done, you're going to want to toss it in a little bit of olive oil. And then it's time to toss our delicious avocado cream sauce all within this pasta. So you're just going to put it in a little big old bowl like this and dump in your sauce. Wonderful. And you have that nice hot pasta, so it does not matter that your sauce is not warm. And then you're going to just start tossing it together like so. So I hope you can see this on camera. You're just going to want to toss that cream sauce in. So we're going to want to plate this. So whatever kind of serving you want to divvy out for your guest or for you or whoever is overindulging in this delicious, so delicious. You guys are going to really love this recipe. I just am so excited to share it with you. So this is for my husband, so I'm going to give him a couple more noodles over here. Mine I'd probably make much smaller, but that looks about right. And then it's when we do the fun stuff. So first and foremost, that delicious prosciutto that we just kind of crisped up a little bit, allowed that fat to come out. You're going to just shake that right over top of this pasta, this avocado cream sauce. Try to make it even. No one's got to be perfect, but I like them, so I'll give them a little bit more. That's going to be good. After that, you got to have black pepper on pasta. I'm a firm believer in that. So just do a nice bit of some cracked pepper over top. And last but not least, some Parm cheese. And tell me that if you made this for your husband or your wife, that they wouldn't be so excited to eat it. It looks freaking fantastic. If I had a fork, I'd steal a bite for myself, but I will let my husband enjoy this dish. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more fun recipes like this every Tuesday. This avocado cream sauce on our delicious pasta with our prosciutto, with our parm, and our black pepper. It's going to taste fantastic. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about it. And I will see you next time, guys, because I got to go make a plate of my own, and I am digging in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.